Alright, so you've finished multi-block, and now you want Mr. T to 3D print it for you. Well, the cool part is, it's only a few clicks away for you. So, well, here's what I need you to do. So this is your assembly file. It is an IAM file for assembly. So, here is how you are going to get it converted so I can actually print it in my 3D printer. So, you're going to simply go up to here, go to File, and I need you to save it as. So we're going to go here, then go to Save Copy As, and we're going to designate the actual type of file we want to save it as. So once you figure out that your file name is accurate, you'll go down and you'll go as type. So Save as Type, you're going to click on that little arrow, and you're going to find this one called STL files, .stl. So you're going to click on there, and then you hit Save. And voila! You now have an actual STL file saved of your actual multi-block IAM file. And this is the STL is what you will submit to Mr. T, so that I can open it in my program and 3D print your assembly file. Alright, sounds like a win. Have a wonderful day.